Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop Instagram from tracking activity across apps. So head over to Instagram first and tap your profile picture in the and then the three horizontal lines or the menu icon and select the settings and privacy, and then go to account center. Now go to your information and permissions, and from here tap on your activity of Meta Technologies and then select manage future activity and tool the option to disconnect future activity, and you can also choose to clear future activity to remove any previously connected data and tap on continue. So yeah, this is how easily you can just stop Instagram from tracking activity across apps. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.